guys, welcome to my channel. So this is just a dorm tour of Reilly Hall at Northern Arizona University. If you're looking to stay here as a freshman, here's a good place to stay. But yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Awesome. Alright, so this is the hallway. There's the bathroom down there. And then the other side, I don't know exactly what wing I'm on, but this is our dorm. Lauren and Cheyenne's. We have some pom-poms. This is some stuff that the RA makes for you. Every RA does that, but they're always different. Oh, I opened it. Okay, hi, this is my roommate.
Hi.
Cheyenne. So this is our dorm. This is my bed. Yeah, and then this is Cheyenne's. And so since mine is closed with the tapestry, it looks nice when you leave the door open to have that right there. But this is what it looks like inside. So you can put your food, your ironing board, blender, silverware, TV if you want.
Yep. Food.
Definitely food, water. And then you have a closet, and a lot of people use the closet for clothes, to hang their clothes. But if you want to have more space in your room, you can put your bed into your closet. And then, especially if you don't have a lot of clothes, you can just put them all in the drawers.
Well, these things are pretty big.
Yeah, they're pretty big. And I put my bed all the way up, so it's higher than hers, as you can see. So I can fit my dresser underneath. So it's on the other side, and I can kind of show you. This is a bunch of random stuff I put underneath. I have a bunch of random stuff, my diabetes stuff, and my kitchen stuff, because we don't really have one. There's my dresser. I have to get it fixed. And then this is our sink area. So you have that one light here, and then you have one underneath. Those are the two lights that you can have in here. So there's Cheyenne. There's me. We're trying to grow plants, as you can see. This was at a free event where they gave you succulents and you bring something, so that's great. And I have my makeup here, some perfume, a bonsai that I'm trying to grow. I'm trying.
Got you that?
Yep, it's so cute. Peas that I'm trying to grow. And then this is our view. Let me move back up so you can kind of see what we're working with. But yes, I'm obsessed with our view. I love it. Hopefully you get this side of Reilly if you're looking into Reilly. But that is Reilly Hall. Yep. And then over there, that tall one is Sechrist Hall. And then there's Wilson. So they're pretty close to us. And then right next to us, well, that big thing over there is a new honors dorm that they're opening up. It's not open yet for this year, but I think it should be for next year. So nice. And then the one over here is McKay, which is usually for sophomores. But yeah, this is it. Some pumpkins, and we hung up some lights that are on, but you can't really tell. But they look really nice at night when you leave this open. The people walking, you can really see it. So yeah, that's our sink area, and then a window. And then this is my desk area. I have my laptop, my schedule. You definitely need to get a schedule. I mean, I don't know how I could live without it, but people do. I couldn't. I had this thing that my boyfriend made for me, and there's pictures of us. Sorry, Anita, I accidentally stole that from your house. Found it in my bag, but I really like it. My friends, pictures are definitely something you need, especially if you get homesick. There's this cute little pig, index cards, a bunch of pencils, a fake cactus plant that Cheyenne gave me, and then this cute thing my dad made, a bunch of art brushes. Sorry, I don't know why I can think of that, but I put it in this cute little thing that I got from Goodwill for like 35 cents. Yeah, it was super cheap. The Goodwill close to here is a really crappy one, but it has really cheap stuff. So I also got that there, this, and then I painted it. And then all the Reilly dorms come with this shelf. So it's really helpful to have. Not a lot of dorms have this, I don't think, but Reilly does.
McConnell doesn't, and
Yeah.
a lot of them actually don't have counters either. It's just like a sink. Which really is
yeah,
hard.
that's true. Yeah, having a counter definitely helps. And so you can put stuff underneath. I put like, whoa. Wow, I thought I organized that. Just hair products and stuff, perfumes. And then you have the medicine cabinet. Yep. Pretty good amount of space. Put my books here, pictures, some cute stuff, calendars, more pictures, my pens that I love. And then on top, we kind of keep like, I keep like things like coconut oil and tea and stuff I've painted, silverware. Yep. And then that's our TV, ukulele. I brought this lamp, and I think it helps because I feel like this light could be too much sometimes. So here's Cheyenne's shelf, which is a bunch of stuff that
I haven't organized it yet. Don't know what I'm doing.
yeah,
New to Reilly.
she's new. She just moved in last semester, or this semester, sorry. And then her calendar. This is really nice. Coffee pot. Her desk. Yep. And then what's cool is I didn't realize this for the longest time, but it comes like that, and so you have this extra amount of desk space. Yep. And then there's these there's another drawer, and then there's one of these, and you can lock it up so you can put your computer and other things like that. And then this is a fridge. We got a bigger fridge than most, taller. Usually people's fridges are white and shorter in Reilly, so it can go underneath, but since ours is not, I don't know, for whatever reason, it kind of sticks out, but it's okay. It kind of gives you privacy, another place to hang stuff. I have like a calendar that I made, a schedule, and then I bought this microwave. They don't come with microwaves, and microwave is such a nice thing to have because there's only one microwave for the whole hall, and it's downstairs on the first floor. So if you live on like a higher level floor, that would really suck to just go down there.
Reilly also comes with an elevator, so that's very nice. Other halls, you have to walk up the stairs.
Oh yeah, the elevator is definitely nice. But if you want to get that exercise in, hey. So yeah, there's that. I think I pretty much showed everything. There's our door. We kind of put that thing, it's kind of random, but we like it. It looks pretty when you open the door. And yeah, a mirror. The lights were, there's lights on here, but they're kind of dying. Yep, so I hope you enjoyed.